Fisher Trim Cartridge is a new-to-market hybrid repair solution for Easy-E control valves that brings confidence to their repair. It is a factory-assembled repair cartridge that contains all valve-recommended spare parts, plus the bonnet in a single, serialized part number, and is offered as both a repair part and as an option available in new Easy-E assemblies. This video will take you through the steps of replacing standard Easy-E trim with a trim cartridge in a 2-inch Easy-E globe valve. It is important to carefully read, understand, and follow all the warnings, cautions, and content of the instruction manual. The first thing we need to do before we start removing the standard trim from our Easy-E valve is make sure that you have all of the necessary equipment, proper protective clothing, safety glasses, protective gloves, and proper tools to avoid injury. Personnel performing these maintenance steps must be fully trained and qualified in valve, actuator, and accessory installation, operation, and maintenance procedures. The valve needs to be isolated and the process force removed. Use bypass valves or completely shut off the process to isolate the valve from process pressure. Relieve process pressure on both sides of the valve. Separate the actuator from the valve. Consult the applicable valve and actuator instruction manuals to ensure proper removal. Then, remove the body bonnet nuts. Remove the bonnet, plug stem assembly, cage, seat ring, and gaskets. Inspect body for damage that would prevent proper operation of the valve. Clean and inspect the cage and bonnet gasket surfaces for any wear, so that the new gaskets have a clean surface to seat. Install the new seat ring gasket into the valve. Next, add the new bonnet gasket onto the valve. Slowly install the new trim cartridge into the valve body, being careful not to damage the gaskets, ensuring the trim cartridge is fully seated. Reinstall the body bonnet nuts and tighten in a crisscross pattern according to the instruction manual guidelines. Once the nuts are tightened to spec and the body to bonnet seal is made, it is time to attach the actuator. Follow your specific actuator mounting and accessories steps provided in the instruction manual to install and then adjust the actuator on the valve. Your new serialized factory-tested trim cartridge is now ready for operation. If you have any questions about these instructions, contact your Emerson sales office.